Dear Goenkans, today our topic is creating a table using templates. One of the easiest way to create a table is to use templates. But before starting, let me tell you what is a template. Template is nothing but it is a pre-built database that focuses on a specific task. These can be used instantly and can be even downloaded if our application doesn't have a specific template that we want. So these templates is actually a ready to use database that contains various types of tables, queries, forms that needed to perform a specific task. Say for example, we need a database of students where we need to enter their details and address details, all the things that are needed for student database. So template can help us in a way because it has automatically all the fields that we required in our database. So let's get started. When you will open MS Access 2010, the first thing what we'll use is in available templates, we'll select sample templates. So I'll click on sample templates and I'll get a number of templates that are available under this category. So here, as I already said, let's just take an example. We'll choose. Now select student template. Here we have student template, so I'm selecting it. As you all know, the student database task pane appears on the right side the moment I selected on the student. So in the previous video, we already know how to name our database and how to store it according to our choice based location by using the browse button. So I have specified this file name as student database. Now I'll click on the create button. As you all can see, the student database has already got few things with it. That is the first name, the last name, the email address, the business phone, company, job title. Now in the view, that we'll click on the view and then we'll click on the date sheet button on, and as you all can see, we are now in the menu of date sheet. Now we'll choose add existing field button in the tool group. The field task pane appears on the right side. Now as you all can see in the table, we only have ID, first name, last name, email address, business phone, company, job title. We can select fields from the list that you want to include in the student list. So we can choose any of these which we want to include in our student list. What we have to do is we have to just select the field. Say we want date of birth. So I'll just select the field, then drag the selected field to the table and drop it where you want to edit. As you all can see right now, there is a circle with a cross. That means I cannot place it anywhere, but when the sign will change into this, I have to click. Now the field got added when the insertion point appears. Let's add one more. Say we'll add city. Select the field, drag it. We have to wait till the insertion point appears. So as you all can see, insertion point just appeared. We'll click. We'll leave our right click. So this is how we can add fields to our table by using the option date sheet and using template view how to create a table. And we need to know one thing, that is in each table, in each database, in each table, in each form, we have one field that has to be referred as the primary key, and the primary key cannot have two similar values. As we are doing it with the student list, let me tell you one thing. In our school, like you all have your admission numbers, and no two students can have the same admission number. Here as well we have to select a primary key where no two students can have the same value for that field. So by default in this list, ID is the primary key. And how we know that? As you all can see this asterisk mark, it will tell you about the primary key. So I'm just highlighting it. As you all can see, this is the thing by which you will get to know that which ID is your primary key. We can also keep a primary key by ourselves. This for today. Thank you.